Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the remaining question of exercise 5.2. In the previous video, we do question number third. Up to this, question number fourth is which term of AP is? This is the AP is 78. In this question, we are required to find the value of n. So in this question, the first term is 3 and the common difference is a2 minus a1, which is 5. an is 78. Formula of an is a plus n minus 1 into d, which is 78. Value of a is 3 and value of d is 5, which is equal to 78. So n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78 minus 3. n minus 1 into 5 equals to 75. So n minus 1 is 75 on 5, which is equal to 15. So n is 15 plus 1, 16. So 78 is the 16th term of this AP. In question number 5, the first part is find the number of terms. In this question, the first term is 7 and the common difference is a2 minus a1, which is equal to 6, and last term is 205. So an is a plus n minus 1 into d. Value of an is 205, a is 7, n minus 1 and d is 6. So this is 205 and 7, n minus 1 into 6. This is 198 by 6 equals to n minus 1. This is 33 plus 1 equals to n. So n is 34. This means that the 34th term of this AP is 205. In second part, 18, 31.2, 13, the last is maths 47. In this AP, A is equal to 18, B is equal to A2 minus A1. This means 31 minus 36 minus 5.2 and AN is 47. Formula of an is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is 18 plus n minus 1, d is minus 5.2, which is minus 47. n minus 1 minus 5.2 minus 47 minus 18. n minus 1 minus 5.2 equals to minus 65. So n minus 1 is equal to 65 into 2 upon minus 5. So n minus 1 is this 13, 26. So n is 27. This means the 27th term of this AP is maths 40. AP is 27. In question number 6, check whether maths 150 is a term of this AP. This is the AP in which A is 11, D is 8 minus 11, which is maths 3, and we take AN as maths 150. As AN is A plus n minus 1 into D, so value of A is 11. n minus 1, d is minus 3, 150, 11 minus 3n plus 3 equals to minus 150, minus 3n is equal to 150 minus 14, so minus 3n is equal to 164, n is 164.3. In this, n is in fraction, but the number of terms always has integral value. So 150 is not a term of this AP. In 7th question, find the 31st term of AP, that is A31, in which 11 term is 38 and 16 term is 73. As we know, A11 is A plus 10B, which is 38. This is the question number 1. And A16 is A plus 15D, which is 73. A plus 15D. This is the question number 2. When we subtract the first question from second, this is 35. This is 5D. So D is equal to 7. When we put the value of D in equation 1, we get the value of A. So when we put the value of D in equation number 1, that is 7, 38 equals to A plus 70. So A is mass 32. In this we are required to find A31, which is A plus 30D. In this A is 32, D is 7. So this is mass 32 plus 210, which is equals to, this is 8 and this is 17. So 178 is the A31. 31 first term is 178. This is the answer of this question.